Danke bafethu. So i-Cape Town Spurs se-relegate-iwe laphana ku-National First Division noma ngithi i-Motsepe's Championship yabo. So u-captain wabo una-22 u-Asanele Velibayi wayefunwa i-Kaizer Chiefs phansi naphezulu kakhulu but bona bam-overpricer, babulala ibhola lomfana, babulala i-confidence yakhe, bamthatha bomfaka le kulona ku-Motsepe's Championship. Manje seba-relegate-iwe, i-value yomfana kusho seyidrophile seyehlile. Alikho iplayer elinga-costa let's 10 million elidlala ku-third division lena ku-Motsepe's what is Motsepe's Gauteng whatever lapho nje. So Cape Town Spurs ibe greedy ngempela. I-Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa yakhipha 5 million laphana but bona banqaba bathi le player leli 10 million. Kanjani iplayer elidlala isizini eyodwa ku-PSL elingaziprovanga that much, ina how many goals, ina how many assists, lidlale le team e-relegate-iwe. Manje le team lese-relegate-iwe futhi seyale seyodlala boma-Alexandra manje okay bazodlala i-Cape Town-ke bona because baku-Cape Town side, but-ke ba-relegate-iwe bahambile but babe stingy ngenye indlela nanokuthi babulale i-career yomfana the way because manje akasase-hot property as before. Le mali le bezom-ofara yona isafani because manje umfana anyway u-desperate nyana cause sekayiplayer la ku-third division, hhayi nanokuthi la ku-first division yabo. Befuna i-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu umfana but-ke bona bathe no, bambhlokhe ngazo zonke iy'ndlela umfana. Cabanga i-Kaizer Chiefs bezom-offer i-better contract, impilo yakhe i-change aze eJohannesburg. Bona because baba nenkani ukuthi abayifuni i-5 million ye-Kaizer Chiefs, nangoku umfana ubu-greedy babo baba-relegate-ile sebahambe kanjalo. Akusiwuye kuphela lo mfana lo laphana ku-Ajax Cape Town abahambe naye yabo, khona nokuthiwa uBatman kwaba khona ku-South Africa kuma-junior ranks wakhona yabo, naye wayishisa kakhulu futhi sasemncane umfana ngoba una-18 yabo. Naye azange bafune ukumhambisa cause baba-overpricile abafana abancane laphana, sibahambe kanjalo-ke. Ubuhlungu ngempela ukubona ama-careers wabafana angisho ukuthi aphela ngoba abafana bangadlala bangaziphruva, kuzobonakala ukuthi i-Cape Town Spurs izokwazi ukubahambisa na, and izothi malini-ke this time around because abasekho naku-Motsepe's Championship yabo. Cause manje i-team noma ingeza na-1 million or 2 million kumele bayithathe, abana-choice. But uma bazoyinqaba bazokholela umfana malini le ku-third division bafowethu cause ngeke baphinde babuye. Noma kuthiwa bangabuye it takes so much. uJomo Sono olapha naye ku-third division ulwele izembe naye nakhona the way kunzima ngakhona lapha ku-third division yabo. So it's very hard ukuthi lapha ku-third division umuntu awine nanokuthi adominate i-league. I-Highlands Park bayithengisa sokunesikhathi, khathi manje izama ngempela uku-recover ngathi kune-chance ukuthi ingabuye. So sobona i-Cape Town Spurs ukuthi izokwazi ukubuya nanokuthi izobuya nini, ngoba khumbula ukuthi kudlala ama-team over 100 kuleya league leya cause kunama-team za-KZN, Cape Town, kunama-team wako-Limpopo, kunama-team wako, so maningi kakhulu ama-team. Uyayiwina i-league yakho, mawuqeda ukuyiwina le league lo oyidlalayo uqualifyela for ama-national play-offs lapho uyodlala namanye futhi ama-team awina ama-league all over the country. So it's very hard ukuwina laphana. So uvele mina ngimfisela inhlanhla umfana uyalazi ibhola. I-Kaizer Chiefs beyimfuna but-ke bambhlokha, bheka manje sebaya ku-third division, kaze indaba yakhe iyophelela kuphi. If phela basama-overprice namanje bafuna imali eningi, kusho ukuthi umfana uyodlalela i-500-ke phela le phansi ku-third division. But-ke let's wait and see ukuthi Cape Town Spurs izophelelaphi. Danko bafowethu.